Good morning, students. Today we will start new chapter number 12, area related to circle. So you all know about circle. So in this chapter you have to find the area related to circle. Alright. The first example is the cost of fencing a circular field at the rate of rupees 24 per meter is rupees 5280. The field is to be ploughed at the rate of rupees 0.50 per meter square. Find the cost of ploughing the field. So there is a circular field and the cost of fencing is given per meter, that is rupees 24. Per meter cost is rupees 24 and the total cost of fencing is also given, that is rupees 5280. Means from this we can find the total length of fencing. From here we can find the total cost divided by cost per meter. So the total cost is rupees 5280 and the cost per meter is rupees 24. So it is how much? 220 meter. It means the total length of that circular field is 220 meter. Its perimeter is this 220. So the cost of ploughing the field is at the rate of 0.50 per meter square. So per meter square cost is rupees 0.50. It means 50 paise. We have to find the total cost of ploughing the whole circular field. It means first we have to find the area of this circular field, and the area of circle is pi r square. So r is radius. So we can find the radius from this circumference of the circle. Because total length of fencing means circumference is 220. So the formula for circumference is 2 pi r. Circumference is 220 equal to 2 pi r. Value of pi is given as 22/7 into r. So it is how much? 35 meter. Alright. 22 times are 220. 7 times are 70 divided by 2. 70 by 2 is 35 meter. It means radius is 35 meter. Now we can easily find the area of field. Area of field is pi r square. So area of pi is 22/7 into 35 into 35. 7 times 35. 25 is 110 and 35 into 11 is 3850 meters square. It means the total area of that circular field is 3850 meters square. Now the cost per meter square is 0.50. So the cost of this total area is how much? Cost is 1925 rupees. This is the example number first. Next we start exercise 12.1. The first question is the radii of two circles are 19 cm and 9 cm respectively. So there are two circles. Whose radius is given, that is 9 cm and 19 cm. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of two circles. There is another circle and we have to find its radius. There is another circle which we have to find its radius such that the condition is the circumference of this circle is equal to the sum of the circumferences of these two circles. मतलब कि ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਸ ਸਰਕਲ ਦਾ ਸਰਕਮਫਰੈਂਸ ਜਿਹਦਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰੇਡੀਅਸ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰੋਗੇ उस सर्कल का सर्कमफ्रेंस इन दोनों सर्कल्स के सर्कमफ्रेंस के सम दे इक्वल है। ऑलराइट, So take the circumference of first circle as C1 and circumference of second circle as C2. And the radius of the circle which we have to find, take that circumference as C only. It means the condition is C is equal to C1 plus C2. मतलब कि first circle और second circle का circumference उन्हों का sum third circle के circumference से equal. ठीक है? Now the formula for circumference is 2 pi r. It is again 2 pi r1 and 2 pi r2. The radius of first circle as r1 and radius of second circle as r2. Now you can take 2 pi common, r1 plus r2. So what is r1? The radius of first circle is 9 cm and the radius of second circle is 19 cm. Now you can see here 2 pi is 2 pi is cancel. So r is what? 9 plus 19, that is 28 cm. It means the radius of this third circle is 28 cm. Next, second question. The radii of two circles are 8 cm and 6 cm. It is again same as question first. There are two circles having radii 6 and 8 cm. We have to find the radius of another circle having area equal to the sum of the area of two circles. So it is same as question number first. First question किसी का कि circumference होना दे इक्वल है, but इस question की है कि जड़ा third circle है उस circle का area इन दोनों circles के area के sum दे इक्वल है, and we have to find the radius of this circle. It means you can write A is equal to A1 plus A2. A is the area of third circle, A1 is the area of first circle, and A2 is the area of second circle. Now what is the area of circle? Circle area is pi r square is equal to pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. R1 is the radius of first circle and R2 is the radius of second circle. Now you can take pi common. What is left here? R1 square plus R2 square. So now pi cancel. R square is equal to R1. R1 is 6. So 6 square 36. R2 is how much? 8. 8 square is 64. Now 64 plus 36 is how much? 100. And R is equal to 100. That is 10 cm. It means the radius of third circle is 10 cm. This is your question number first and second. This is your next question number fourth. The wheel of a car are of diameter 80 cm each. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? So the wheel of a car is in circular shape, we know that, and we have to find the number of rotations made by wheel in how many minutes? 10 minutes. And the speed of car is given, that is 66 km per hour. So it means car covers 66 km in 1 hour, and in 1 hour there are how many minutes? 60 minutes. It means in 60 minutes they cover 66 km. Then in 1 minute they cover how many kilometers? 66 by 60. So we have to find the distance covered by wheel in how many minutes? 10 minutes. So it is 10 multiplied with 66 by 60, that is 11 kilometer. Now you can see here the radius of diameter of wheel is given, that is 80 centimeter. Maybe it is in centimeter. So you have to convert this kilometer in centimeter. In 1 kilometer there are 1000 meter, and in 1 meter there are 100 centimeter. So you should multiply with 1 lakh centimeter. 1 lakh. So it is 11 into 1 lakh, 11 lakh centimeter. There are 5 zeros. Alright. Next, distance covered by wheel in one rotation. In one rotation, the distance covered by wheel is how much? It is means one circumference. So one circumference is 2 pi r, and the value of pi is here 22 by 7. The radius of circle is, diameter is 80, therefore radius is 40. So it is how much? 1760 by 7 centimeter. It means in one rotation they cover 1760 by 7 centimeter. Now we have to find the number of rotations. So how we will find it? Total distance upon distance covered in one rotation. We will get the number of rotations of that wheel. So the total distance is 11 lakh and the distance covered in 1 minute is one rotation is 1760 by 7. So on solving this numerical value, we will get 4375. It means we'll cover how many rotations? 4375 rotations in how many minutes? 10 minutes. Okay, children. So this is your question number 4. Next is your last question number 5th of exercise 12.1. If the perimeter and the area of a circle are numerically equal, then the radius of circle is. So there are 4 choices: 2 units, n unit, 4 unit, and 7 units. So it means the numerical value of area and the perimeter of a circle is given equal. So what is the perimeter of circle? It is 2 pi r, and the area of circle is pi r square. So you can pi cancel and 1 r cancel also, because radius of a circle should be same. So 2 is equal to r. It means radius of circle is 2 units. So our option is E. Clear? So this is your last question number 5th. Thank you.